Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you two completed rooms here at the Chateau. The wine room, as I'm calling it, and the dining room. Those two rooms have been complete. We won't do anything else in those rooms except for touch-up paint, and I'll show you where those areas are. So are you ready to see the room? And I will tell you where everything is from also. So let's get ready.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back. Oh, girl, don't do me like that, no. I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back. Oh, girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, you know what's up? Your favorite lover, just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up? When you leave me like that, your favorite lover, do me like that. Ooh, just hit me up. When I think about that, I'm coming. I'll be coming right back. Oh, know what's up? Know what's up? Know what's up? Your favorite lover, do me like that. No, just hit me up. Oh, I'm coming over. Yeah.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you where everything is from as far as I can remember. So, starting with the curtains, they all came from Home Goods. All the curtains, and they're 180 inches in length. 2 panels in a pack for $39.99.
108.
What'd I say?
180.
108, okay. Coffee table, end table, 2 end tables and the coffee table. Came from Furniture Land South. The lamp came from Home Goods. Has the 2 bulbs in it. This sphere came from Home Goods. Beads and the little wooden board with the gold legs came from Home Goods also. The throw is from Home Goods. The pillows, all the pillows are from Home Goods. I'll tell you where the table was from. Pillows on this chair as well as the chair, all from Home Goods. Home Goods.
Home Goods the answer.
This was a Home Goods find before. It was at my house. Now it's here. And we just added some base filler in the base he already had. Did I show that down here? Down here we have some coffee table books and some beads. And then something like a driftwood. But this one is mounted and it's not as whitewashed. We have this, which came from Home Goods. Home Goods. Coasters, Home Goods. This, when I get done DIYing, it's just a cement bowl from the At Home store and moss. And I'm just going to tack it in there so that it doesn't come out. But this is the actual look. Clean and simple, very RH vibes. Picture in the mirror. I mean... Picture in the mirror, what? Picture on the wall is from Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods. And so, rug, Home Goods.
This is crazy. This is really a Home Goods joint, ain't it?
The throw, Home Goods, if I didn't say it. And the candles from Home Goods.
But now
the boxes from Home Goods.
not all at one time.
Now, if you spin around this way, we'll go this way first. This stand is from Home Goods. This piece right here is from Home Goods. The plant is from Ron. The vase or vessel is also from Home Goods. The elephant is Ron. It's supposed to be facing this way though. Oh, shucks. It's Ron's. It was one of the things that he wanted to keep in his space, and it does go well because it's gray and white. So he's down there, and then I just have another gold sphere to balance out that gold around the room so that it'll make sense. So that's what this looks like. Home Goods. Rug, Home Goods. Curtains, Home Goods. The stuff on the table is from the At Home store. The vessels and the tray that it's sitting on. And probably I will, depending on like I don't know, it just depends on when I see some really pretty stems that I want to put in there for a pop of color. Because as you can see, we have a little bit going on over here in the blue area. But it's still very monochromatic, which I like. And then over here it's pretty much creams and wood elements and stuff like that. So I do want to bring a little bit of color over here on this side in one of those vessels. All the mirrors, Home Goods, still got the tag on them. In case you want one, that's how much it costs. Ron. Buffet. At one point it was at the furniture market, and then I got it when it got back to the store. I snagged it right off the truck. And so it lives here now. Look how pretty.
Take off the transport bead. Transport bead buys that would do as much as it's doing.
Really?
That is beautiful. That's beautiful, amazing. And I keep telling you about the whole, like, you don't see it, but the whole circle thing, like that's circle, right?
Okay.
And then the mirror is a circle. And then this is circle, and circle. It's like a lot of circles, and it's a lot of like circles in here.
Okay.
And I love it.
So
this right here is amazing.
I don't think I left anything out. This is also from the At Home store some time ago. He's growing a fiddly fig.
This is where it started, babe.
You keep saying that. Our first date.
This is, yeah.
Our first actual day out. We went flower pot
I wanted you to
shopping.
go with me to go find a pot for this fiddle leaf. And now all of a sudden, We got all of this in the rugs, and it wasn't even intentional.
Right. Because we didn't know. But the two rooms flow very well together. And I don't know if you noticed this, but like over here, right? Everything goes in this section. Like the blues, it's more blue in the carpet. And it's just giving chill, grown up relaxation. Okay? On this side. But then if you cross right over here to the river, everything over here is grays, blacks, whites, creams, earth tones.
Wow.
So it's so gold. Nothing is competing. These rooms aren't competing with each other because they somehow tie into the other room. So if you're over here and you look over here, it just makes sense. You can see items down there that will keep your eye flowing over here, and then it'll be like, like the blue vase, for example. People that are coming into the house that way, coming in, the very first thing they see when they stand where Ron is, if they look down, is that blue vase. Thus, the blue room that they'll be in, because that is the wine room. I think it's so pretty. Not masculine, not too masculine, not too feminine. It's a happy median, I feel like. Yes or no?
Absolutely. Absolutely. This is amazing.
Would you do anything different in here? If you could?
Not. I couldn't do this if I tried.
No, but if you could you okay, I can't even
I
talk.
gotta go upstairs and get my little piece, but whatever. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so this is the room. Rooms are 2 down, and how many rooms to go?
Yeah. 7.
7 rooms.
7 more rooms. 7 more rooms. 7 more rooms. Wow. Beautiful. Well, we still got a little bit more work to do, but I'm emotional.
You emotional? Okay.
I think the next thing that we probably do in here, of course, the little pieces here and there, but I think we just need to change out the blinds to the 2 inch.
Yeah, the thicker blinds.
Yeah.
Yep. For sure.
Oh, and then we got the DIY for the light.
And yeah, we're gonna redo this light the exact same way, but make it longer. We'll bring you along that process too.
And then I got the daylight bulbs.
And some daylight bulbs will be installed for daytime filming. Yeah, we're done now. Down here is done. We won't add anything else. I won't add anything else down here. I noticed a plant just popped up since I've been recording, but okay. It's cool. But I will not be bringing anything else into the space because it is perfect now. Anything else will start to crowd the space, so it's fine just the way it is. Nothing else to come in. I'm loving this. So pretty. Okay, so this is the space right here. Don't look down that way yet, honey, because, yeah, that's where we're going to next, I think. In that direction. Yeah. What you got to say for yourself, Mr. Ron? A.K.A. Roy.
I love it.
You love it?
I love it. I sit down here. You know, I've been sitting down here for the last 4 or 5 days. Just sitting back with my little feet up. I love it. Oh. I ain't show you this.
Uh-oh.
This is a surprise.
Oh, God, surprise.
Yeah. It might drive you crazy, but it's a surprise.
Oh, good.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Alexa, set the lights to 10%.
Okay.
Hey.
Ron, now.
Alexa, set the lights to 100%.
Okay.
Hey. Okay. I love that type of stuff.
I know.
You You know what I'm saying?
I know you do, man.
You know, set the vibe. Check it out. Set the vibe. Check it out. I'm gonna set the vibe.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the dining room light.
Okay.
Alexa, set the lights to 10%. Alexa, set the lights to 10%.
Okay.
Hey, Ma. What's your name is? Alexa, set the lights to 100%.
It's a vibe.
It's a whole vibe.
It's a vibe.
Yeah. You know, then I pop on the music. Hey.
It's a vibe.
It's a whole vibe.
Yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm.
You like it though?
I love it.
Okay, so
Alexa, set the lights to 100%.
2 rooms approved, and we are good to go. Look how bright it is in here now. I could totally film in this. Okay.
I got the daylight bulbs coming too, guys.
Okay, so fam, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm not sure how long this one was, but I hope you will enjoy it. In the process, leave me a comment down below, as I know you will. But we're done with this room. We're moving on. That thing behind the chair over there, Ron has a brand new one. He just has to put it on. So that'll be getting done. And then we just have some minor painting above the door where he built the top over there and on the front door. And then right here, he has to put a coat of white paint over that, because I don't know if you can tell, but it's like light green from the previous color. So he's got to do that, which is nothing. And the risers on all the steps up to the top, just the white part in between the steps. And then this little area here where I'm at over is done.
We got some light too.
Huh?
The foyer light.
Yeah. I'm waiting on that to see something. But you pleased? So far so good.
Serious? Yeah.
So far so good.
It's dope. Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. Really, really nice.
Okay.
That's
All right.
the whole vibe.
Yeah, it is. It is a vibe for sure. Yep. So anyway, you guys, I'm glad you, like I said, tuned in. Leave me a comment down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.